Okay, video vlog check. Everybody, Azrael here, and we are back again for another tech vlog. At we are going to unbox a new gadget, bagong partner natin sa ating lifestyle, technology lifestyle. So, I have here the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, a smart band, and also a watch from Samsung Philippines. Alright, we have here the Samsung Galaxy Fit at merong pinapa-challenge tayo Samsung Philippines na to use it, and also, oh my god, mag-e-exercise tayo, magwo-workout tayo, at sasali tayo sa fun run this coming April 21. There's this Samsung Galaxy Earth Day run in NSM Mall of Asia. Tama ba? Tama ba? Let me check my email. Tama. It's the Earth Day Run, Galaxy Watch Earth Day Run 2024. At this Sunday pala is Earth Day pala. So, some of the brands and also tech are, gumagawa sila ng mga campaigns na to promote Earth Day, no? Paano bang magagawa natin to help the Earth? May iba, mga ganong style, no? Pero, this is a fun run naman, at I think it's the purpose here is to parang para sa ating health na rin din to, no? Kasi magpa-fun lang tayo, mag-exercise tayo, and yun ang ating gagawin. At while we are doing that, we are going to use this Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 for our daily lifestyle para ma-check yung ating heart BPM, for example, blood oxygen, also steps, yung pinakang gusto ko palagi, and also mga workout parang modes, no, na itong smart band na to. So, before I unbox this Smart Galaxy Fit 3, let me discuss to you the tech specs and feature of the new Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 from Samsung Philippines. Alright, let's do this. Okay, ito na yung mga tech specs ni Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, no? For the display, meron siyang 1.6 inches or 40 millimeter AMOLED main display screen. Actually, na-research ko, mas malaki pa pala siya yung screen niya compared to the Galaxy Fit 2 and also the Samsung Galaxy Watches. Mas malaki siya. For the resolution, gumagamit siya ng 256 by 402 at meron siyang 16 million of color depth. That's the tech specs ng kanyang display. And for the body, ang weight niya is 36.8 grams. Magaan siya at gumagamit siya ng aluminum body. Yan, matibay yung aluminum yan. At for its durability, meron siyang 5 ATM and IP68 feature, no? So, dust-proof, waterproof, splash-proof actually, no? For, di ko lang alam siya kung kailan siya submergible, no? Kung ginagamit siya for swimming, no? We're gonna explore that soon. At ang OS niya is the FreeRTOS, and ang memory naman ni Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 is 16GB of RAM with 256 MB of storage. Medyo maliit lang yung kanyang storage. So that's yun na in-install yung para mga features niya, updates niya, and also yung mga watch faces, for example. For the battery, gumagamit siya 208 mAh. Maliit lang siya, no? Kasi very maliit din yung kanyang processor tsaka yung display niya. So medyo matipid siya sa kuryente. At sabi dito is 13 days of usage time niya in single charge. O 13 days yung battery niya. It can charge up to 65% charge in 30 minutes. So mabilis din pala yung kanyang charging. For the features, the Samsung Galaxy Fit 3, this is a Bluetooth Bluetooth version 5.3. At gumaroon siyang mga sensors like accelerometer, may barometer siya, gyro sensor, optical heart rate sensor, at light sensor. Light sensor is for the screen, no? Para malaman niya kung madilim ba or maliwanag, it can adjust to itself. Meron siyang vibration type for the notification, at meron siyang tracking sleep and over 100 exercises. And meron siyang band quick release button, ayan, para madali pakalitan mo yung kanyang wristband. At meron siyang daily activity tracking mode, merong steps, heart rate, stress level, blood oxygen, and kailangan siyang i-pair din sa Samsung Health app on your phone. Actually, nag-install na ako dito sa aking phone na Samsung Health app. I think kailangan ko i-pair muna ito yung ito via Bluetooth sa aking phone. I'm not using a phone na Samsung, but I'm using this Samsung Galaxy S24 kasi for recording this video. Maybe pag hindi nag-work dito sa isang phone ko, I'll try the Samsung. But importante, ma-unbox na natin to. At balik tayo sa features. Sabi dito, it can detect any falls and delivers call for help. Ibig sabihin, pag suot mo yung Galaxy Fit 3 at for example, nahulog ka sa hagdanan na very matinding injury mo, automatically tatawag ka sa phone nyo pag nakakonect siya. No? Magkatatawag siya ng 911 for example, or your family members, no? Kailangan mo i-assign mo lang yung number niya. At meron siyang SOS message by pressing 5 times yung button. For example, meron kang para mga allergy or maybe nahihilo ka, you can press 5 times yung sa button niya, it will send SOS help to any sa number kung saan yung nakadesignate siya for family or doctor or maybe the police for example. At meron siyang Find My Phone features, which is pag naka-pair siya dun sa phone nyo, it will detect at hahanapin yung phone nyo. At meron siyang 100 watch faces na features, maybe baka sa app nito i-activate para makuha nyo. At can take photos via the Bluetooth. So, clickers, so may naka-Bluetooth naman siya, can take pictures dun using your phone. At meron siyang, it can play songs, check text and calls from the wrist. So pag may mga text ka, makikita mo na lalo sa Fit 3, no? At also, you need to register your Samsung account pag nag-login ka sa Samsung Health app. So ang body color na available is gray, silver, and pink gold. And I got the color. Anong color kaya to? No? This gray yata to or silver? I think this is silver, no? Wala nakalagay eh. Pero yung color niya parang silver, no? Yeah, this is silver, no? Maganda yung color ng silver niya. Very stylish. Very stylish siya, no? May unbox natin to. At ang SRP niya is 3,490 pesos. At yun nga, yung sa Samsung Galaxy Earth Day Run, no? Pag nag-register ka, meron silang Galaxy Fit 3 na bundle. I think, I'm not sure, pag bumili ka ng ganito, baka libre na yung fan run, no? Hindi ko nakita yung details, pero watch out for it. Check nyo yung Facebook page ni Samsung Galaxy o Samsung Philippines and also the Earth Day Run na Galaxy Run at para makita nyo yung Earth Day Run para makita nyo yung mga tawag dito, yung specifics, no, kung how to register. Baka gusto nyo humabol this Sunday, April 21. I'm uploading this video April 20 ng umaga. So ayun. So ayan, 3,490, unbox na natin to. Dire-diretso na tayo para at least magamit na natin itong Samsung Galaxy Fit 3 sa ating lifestyle. Tanta marami akong gagawin bukas. Mamaya pala. So, we will monitor our body using this Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Okay, unbox na natin ito. Let's do this. Alright guys, here's the Galaxy Fit 3 from Samsung Philippines. Unbox na natin ito. This is color silver. So, let's open it up para magamit na natin sa ating lifestyle. Ayan. Sirain natin itong box na to. Tama ba itong ginagawa ko? Yeah, ganito yung style niya eh. And here we go. Unbox na natin to para makita natin yung unit. And here we go. This is the unit. Very simple lang niya. Ang laki din pala ng screen niya, no? Oh, okay ito ah. Galaxy Fit 3. Wow, this is so nice. Alright. At inside the box is, ano pa bang laman niya? There's some manual to, and also syempre yung kanyang charging thing. Yung pinaka-importante niya yung charging cable niya. So ang style niya is okay, may sensor pa rin siya. It's a USB Type-C thing, so you can charge it via power bank or inyong plug, no? At ito siya, it's a magnet thing yan. So, may sensor yan dito sa ilalim. And you need to, pagdikitin. Paano ba to? Tanggalin natin yung strap para makita natin yung ano niya, yung style niya, no? When it comes to charging. So, kung sa-charge natin to, dito pala sa taas. Dikit natin. It's connected via magnet. At, syempre, baka walang charge to. I'll plug it to my, it's a USB Type-C pala to, no? It's a USB-C pala. Okay, so, pwede ko itong i-charge, baka pwede itong tawag dito, yung reverse charging. Yeah, kasi mga Samsung phones kasi pwede mag-reserve charge eh. Let me try using it sa aking phone. Baka mag-reverse charging siya. Check natin. At ayun, pwede siyang reverse charging. Oh my God. So, I'm connected to my phone. So, my other phone, hindi Samsung siya. To, kasi pang-record ko kasi Samsung eh. So, heto na. Meron siyang na-activate na siya for for installation, no. So sabi dito, get started in the Galaxy Wearable app. Okay, app on your phone. So paano kaya 'yon? So language, let me choose English or English. So I guess I need to pair it using my phone, no. Pero I'll go to my phone na muna. Wait lang. I think it will detect the Samsung app. So collect na natin to. I think it's activated na. Samsung Health Permission. So, continue. By the way, I already installed the app. At eto na. I think nag-connect na ata siya, no? Yeah, it's connected already to my phone via USB-C. I think so. Eto na eh. Nandito na ako eh. Pumasok na siya eh. And there's my name and Azrael Coladilla. I think I need to pair this via tawag dito turn on auto sync natin to, no? Sync with your Samsung account. Ayan, agree. So paano natin siya i-connect using the phone sa apps. So we're already connecting. So let me check the fitness. So ito yung mga mga workout mode. I think I can watch it while so I guess I need to pair it via Bluetooth na, no? Let's click it via Bluetooth. Ayan, baka lalabas na siya dito, no? So I have several kinds of devices na connected. And that's it, Galaxy Fit 3. Let's click it. Make sure the Bluetooth device is pairing. So how do I pair it? Okay, it's already pairing. Ayan, wait natin. Ayan, it's already pairing. Sana mag-pair ka na, no? Para dire-diretso tayo dito. Ayun. So, nagpakita na ng number. So, okay, access daw yung calls and text. And it's already paired sa aking non-Samsung phone. Hindi ako naka-Samsung dito sa aking phone. So, nakalagay na yung Galaxy Fit 2E77. So, check your phone to complete the setup. So, what setup are you talking about? Maybe this app will help. So, hindi ko lang alam kung meron pa akong pwedeng kailangan gawin dito. So, check your phone to complete the setup. What phone? So, medyo nag-connect yata siya ng konti, no? It says here Galaxy Fit. Sinuot ko na, no? Medyo weird lang yung kanyang strapping, no? If I'm going to wear it, no? Naglo-load na ba siya? I think so. Browse na natin to, no? Sinuot ko na eh. So, hindi pa pala siya okay pala, no? Ano kayong problema nito? Language, English. So, okay, I'm installing the Samsung Galaxy Wearable. Kasi yun yung hinahanap dito eh. Galaxy Wearable app pala. Okay, so lalagin tayo dito sa phone na to at hahanapin natin yung mga devices na nakakonect sa ating sa phone natin. So, eto na. I guess that's it. Parang kasi dati, meron ako nito dati pero tinanggal ko itong app na to. Kasi dati meron akong Samsung na earbuds eh wala na. Kinuha na ni Samsung. So, install Fit 3 plugin. So, may mga ganun pa pala. Oh, grabe daming apps na kailangan. So, nagkamali yata ako nung una kong activate. Pero okay naman yung Samsung Health. It's very important. And you need the Samsung Wearable app at yung Fit 3 plug-in. Oh my God, ang dami mo pang i-install. No? Pero buti na lang na-try natin at we are here now installing it right away. So medyo mahabang process din to, no, for now. No? Pero gusto ko lang siyang i-gamitin na rin din at also i-full charge. So, okay na. Galaxy Fit 3. And let's check out the app. Ayan. At meron pang Samsung. Ang dami kailangan i-install. Teka muna. Scanning for device. Check the number of your bag. Parehas naman siya. So, it's paired na. Alright. Install daw. Na-install ko na, diba? So, ano na naman itong accessory services? So, I need to install that too. So, ang dami natin kailangan i-install pala. No? Pero okay na rin dito, dire-diretso. I guess so, baka kasi ang problema kasi natin is we're not using a Samsung phone. Kaya marami siyang apps na ina-activate kasi hindi siya Samsung phone. So, I need to log in again my Samsung ID. Wait lang So, we are now doing a lot of permissions, no? I need to allow location, permission, allowed siya. So, marami mga plugin, SMS messages, calls. So, you need to allow permission yung phone nyo in the app para lahat ng activity ng phone nyo is madedetect nito. So, habang nag-update na siya, it's the Fit 3 is already loading. Check your phone na naman ulit. So, keep your data safe. Let's click OK. Left down. Okay, nasa left tayo. So, okay. Track your daily activity. So, better rest. Okay. Finishing. Okay. I think i-install muna siya ng firmware, no? Pinaka-importante dyan. At ang bilis niya mag-transfer. Take a tour. I think we're okay. It's starting already. You're all set. Okay, basahin mo yung notifications ko. Go lang. So, paano ba dito? Fit plugin, allow permission daw. So, okay. So, I guess the app, the Fit 3 app is already okay. May 0 pa siyang 66%. And now, let's have a tour. So, suot ko na siya. No? Let's start a tour. And, okay, wow. Swipe down from the top. Huwag na lang naman ito. Ayun yung mga menus niya. So, okay, swipe up. Okay. Find your apps. Next. Okay. Swipe up from the bottom edge. Ayun yung mga controls natin. Okay. Check your notifications. Next. Paano yun? Left up pag ganun. Uy, this is nice. Tapos, paano babalik yun? I-click natin. Swipe right from the edge to the back. Okay. Ayun. Tapos, about tiles. Next. 4 tiles, swipe to the left. Ayun. Nakikita na natin. Home key daw. Ito, button daw niya yung home key. May button dito eh. Okay, para babalik siya doon. This is nice. Enjoy your band. Wow! Uy, ang ganda naman ito. Samsung, Wow. And also, the pairing of the app. I think I need to change ba the watch face. Pag watch face, let's go here. Meron ba ito parang Pip-Boy ba? Naghanap na naman ako ng Pip-Boy na Fallout design. I think meron bang search dito na kung wala, no? I guess let's use the default kasi maganda naman yung default niya. At kalingo, pag inangat ko siyang ganun, nakapatay yan, nakapatay. Balang inangat ko siya, uy, nabubuhay. That's a nice technology, no? So, ang pinaka-importante pala is the Galaxy Fit 3 app. So, ito yung nagmamonitor ng mga things about the watch. I think, parang the Galaxy Fit 3, it's for the watch settings. But, kung meron kayong Samsung Health, ito yung mga stats ng inyong body are recorded here lahat, no? So, everything is okay now at I'm very impressed with this. I'm very excited to try it na bukas. Pero syempre, ta-charge ko na muna ito, no? Galing, no? Galing. Swipe natin, Swipe up. There's health, media controller, find my phone, weather, calendar, timer, alarm, stopwatch, calculator, and setting. For the setting, there's the modes, notification, vibration, display. Ang ganda rin ng screen niya. Very smooth. Ang ganda. Grabe. I think that's the power of sleep mode, I think. At naka-vibrate mode siya. May airplane mode. Search, I think the more movie. I think you can use it as a clicker din sa inyong phones, no? And what else? Stopwatch, calculator. My God, may calculator. At ano pa ba? Ito yung mga ano natin. So, wala pang stats kasi kasusuot pa lang natin, no? For workouts. Maybe yung for running, gamitin natin yan. Sleep, wear your band at night to track your sleep. Sige. Weather, there's weather. I have to add weather. So, paano kaya ito gagana, no? Check your phone. So, I need to check my phone. It says here, ano nga gawin ko dito? Use current location is off. Natin on natin para matrack tayo, no? So, I guess the weather is okay, I think. Click pa natin to. Okay ba siya? Yun! Naku, nakita pa yung location ko kung saan ako nakatira. At nakita yung mga notification ng aking calendar. Ayan, and there's also music, heart rate, cycle tracking, add tiles. So pwede ka pa mag-add ng mga tiles, no? So paano tayo babalik doon? Up. Hindi, yung button pala. Boom! Alright, so that's it! Samsung Galaxy Fit 3. Thank you so much for this, Samsung Philippines, at we're going to use it now. So, ayan, that's it muna for our unboxing. I hope you learned something. The 3,000 pesos lang to, no? Mura-mura na siya for a, very high-tech gadget wearable. At maganda na, it's like a watch talaga, Magagamit natin ito for everyday use. Alright, so thank you guys. Before pala, pakita ko pala sa inyo yung ilalim, yung kanyang sensor. Parang, ang hirap nito tanggalin. Paano ba tanggalin to? Kasi iba yung style niya, Iba yung style niya. Ipapasok mo to dun sa butas na yon. So, wala siyang parang suksukan ng sleeve, Parang ganito lang talaga itsura niya, So, ito yung itsura niyan. There's a button here. At yun yung barometer niya. Yung maliit na pin sa barometer. At very clean siya, So, sa ilalim niya is the sensor for the charging. Ito naman for the biometrics, naman yung body. And also the, let me call this, yung kanyang quick release, Hindi ko alam kung paano gamitin yung quick release na to, Pero, ayun, natanggal ko na. Grabe. Pinutin mo lang yung button na yun, mga quick release na yung strap niya. So, pagkakabit mo siya ulit, I think so it's, pasok mo lang yun sa ngipin at, ayun, nag-lock na. Matibay-tibay ito, Alright, that's it, guys, for our unboxing. Maraming salamat, Samsung Philippines, for this. So, everybody, thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys at the next video vlog adventure. Alright, thank you, Samsung, for this.